Okay, I'm live. Let's share our live here. Let's do quick live here. This is my first live for this. Oy, wait ha. Mag-live tayo dito. I-post na naman. Okay, everybody, all good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel, everyone. Welcome to my first live for this Sunday night. Welcome to my channel, and also if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and bell all, and that way you'll be notified every time I go live, upload videos, long form videos, short videos, doing karaoke, learning how to play guitar, self-teaching how to play guitar, and also learning how to play golf, any variety of content, guys. Welcome. And also sharing dreams meaning to say sharing business opportunity. As an attraction marketing business owner. Guys, you know that the internet is the greatest opportunity of our lifetime. So check it out. And I have the link in my YouTube channel and the website. So feel free to uh, check it out. Welcome everyone, all good evening. This is my first live for today. Was so busy. Decided I just finished live streaming in other social media platforms. So, and let's chit chat here and sharing business opportunity as well. So if you're someone out there that looking for extra income, side hustle that can supplement your paycheck to paycheck, this great business opportunity, you can do it anytime, anywhere, or from the comfort of your own home, even when you're on vacation. And we are global business, and the potential is so unlimited, and imagine we are tax registered as well. So the great things for this business, guys, this attraction marketing business is you don't need to build your own funnel, you don't need to build your own website, no selling involved, no inventory, no chasing or bugging friends. It's a fully automated 90% the system that's the heavy lifting. And you'll be amazed. And once you get to our community, a global community, you'll be amazed how these people doing this business for a long time. So, we have, how was your church service? Oi, we went to church and it was a great sermon, great sermon. But anyway, welcome to my channel, everybody. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and bell all, and that way you'll be notified every time I go live. Also, smash the like button. It's all free, guys. All free. Smash it. We have 14 amazing people over here. Good evening to you all. Smash the like button, everyone. Smash it. Hello. How was your weekend so far? How was your day so far, guys? Let's do a quick live over here. Welcome to my channel. Taking a break right now. So I've been kind of really busy. I have two laptops over here. I have two laptops. I have two laptops here, okay? As an attraction marketing business owner. Okay, guys. I'm gonna share your dreams first. First thing first. Okay, welcome to my channel. It was great. My day was great, and went to church, and the church service was so amazing. It was such a good church service. So anyway, first thing first, guys. As you can see, I was been so busy this morning after church, and came home and doing this. And I was kind of frustrated because I wanna run ad in my business. So okay, I wanna run ad, and then anyway, 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 oy, no, wala yan dere kay hindi tayo diyan. Wala. You came to the wrong channel. wrong channel. But anyways, so I was so frustrated this morning, this afternoon after we came back from church. So I'm gonna run ad, like to run ad in my business page, business. So I already recorded the 3 videos. So I'm gonna run that. I'm gonna prepare that tonight. So I trying to transfer because one of the videos I did no. So one of the video I was trying to transfer. I used the old phone that I wanted to transfer it to my to the messenger, and the way I can upload it. The one it went through. In the second video, it didn't go through at all. So it took me like an hour to figure out how to do it because it keeps sending. I have about 4 videos in the messenger and my name in there. So what's going on in here? So I'm trying to figure out. So I forwarded it to my niece and then uploaded it. So I got it figured out. So the good thing for this business though, guys, no, the good thing for this is you don't need to have a experience because this one is a step-by-step learning. Anything that you need to learn is a step-by-step videos. Then so get figured out. So now the thing is how to run this. Happy Sunday, everyone, every all. Hair whisperer. Hair whisperer. Hair whisperer. Great evening, everyone. Feel free to smash the likey button, everybody. Oi, 5 likeys. Make it to 11. We have 11 amazing people over here. Make it 11. Oi, keep smashing the likey button, guys. Well, to be honest, I don't wash my hair every day. I don't wash it. I don't believe washing hair every day because it will ruin your hair. Good evening, everyone. How was your day so far? How was your day? How was your day, guys? Paangat po. Paangat. Ano yon? Mahaba talaga. Mahaba na yung buhok ko. Mahaba na talaga. Ito, guys. You can make it like hand fan in this one. Well, if I'm going back to the Philippines, guys, if it's too hot, I will just do my hair like that. Hello, everybody. Guys, how was your day? What's for dinner over there? I'm having water, good water, and good chocolate. Good chocolate. Well, I was gonna do karaoke. But I don't feel like because I have, guys, look at this, guys. I have 2 laptops in here. I'm working my project, okay? I have 2 laptops here. I've been so busy since last week. I took a week off. Full week off last week. I didn't go to work last week. I took VTO, voluntary time off because I need to focus on this one. So, good water. No chlorine. no chlorine. It's such a good water, guys. The best water. The best water here. The best water. You cannot get it at the market. You cannot get it at the store. You cannot get it. You can get it only. So anyway, I'm telling you guys. I'm going to run an ad in my business. Okay, I'm going to run an ad in my business. So, okay, guys, do you know that the internet is the greatest opportunity of our lifetime? Do you know that? We're all aware of that. Look at the AI, guys. Okay. 5 years ago, as I was scrolling in the social media, I ran into this ad because it was during lockdown. We got nothing else to do. So I look, I, of course, trying to learn it. And I didn't dare to do it at all. I didn't do it. I didn't do it because I thought it was a scam. And 5 years after that, here I am, guys. Here I am. It was such a, it's, the potential is unlimited. We are high ticket business and no selling involved, no inventory. If I wish I've known this, that you don't need to build your own website. You don't need to build your own funnel. You don't need to build your own funnel. No selling involved, no inventory, no chasing or begging friends. It's a fully automated. 90% the system doing the work in the background 24/7, 7 days a week. Only 10% that you do your part. You do your job 10%. And it's a very flexible, and you can do this with your own term, with your own pace, with your own time. So, and so if you're someone out there looking for working, like now you're working, like if you have a good paying job and you wanted to do like a side hustle that can offset your income, this is the one that you were looking for. Maybe you were thinking about, I wanted to have a side hustle and to supplement it, but yet I don't have time because I'm working too many hours. This one you don't have to worry about because you don't need to sell anything comparing traditional. No demo. It's a fully automated 90%. So I wish I've known this, the one that you don't need to have your own funnel. Anything is a fully automated. Check it out. So the good thing for this is it's a global business. It's a global. It's a global. You can do it anytime, anywhere, from the comfort of your own home. And also, and while you perform your full-time job. Because when you come home from work, you can do this.